So today's wee walk sees Frank and I taking on two Munros in Glen Affric. Starting from the Chisholm Bridge car park on the Glen Affric road, we make our way through a small forested area before heading along the Land Rover track, passing the small dam. Eventually we cross a small burn and make our way up the rocky ridge to our first Munro, Choinnich. From there we will descend the rocky east ridge to the Bealach, before the gentler ascent to our second Munro, Toll Creagach. Fantastic!
Patrick. Oof, oof, oof. So as I just came up over a wee rise here, I get to see the summit proper. You see this. You see this. This just looks amazing. You see this. Fantastic. Fantastic. So that's us near at the top, hopefully. Bitter cold. Take my jacket on and go up here. Why not sit up here? Bitter cold. Top just up here, I think. Oh, amazing. So wee snow flurries coming in now. But good conditions. Good conditions. These are good to walk in. Can't complain.
Our first Munro of the day, Choinnich, meaning the Hill of the Moss, standing at 1,112 metres.
This is our first summit. It's lovely, but there's a wee kind of a snowy squalls coming and going. It's cold, so we're not going to hang about very long. Look at over there, beautiful, beautiful. So we need to make our way off of here now, and then up to that one over there. So we're not going to hang about here, it's too cold. You want to get down off of here and get into the Glen, get something to eat, and then up into the second one. That's the plan. That's the plan. So we'll get you down a wee bit further down when we're down there. Aye, that's what we'll do. Get you down there. Right, let's go. Let's go. You ready, Paddy? We're just dropping off here. It almost feels like you're dropping off the edge of the cornice. Going this way. So, up there. You're just to the left hand side, there's cornice down onto this path. So
you can see here just a wee snapshot from a wee bit further on in the walk, looking back to the exit point from this first Munro. With the cornicing being how it was that day, you can see there's just a small window to get down safely off this first Munro, so just a wee point to note if you're up here in these conditions.
I put the camera away for a while until we get down a wee bit further. It's a wee bit safer, aye. Right, come on, so that's that. That's that initial climb down up there. No ideal in these conditions with Paddy, but that's us doing the worst there, I think. But a wee bit steep, but it's just quite icy. So in these conditions, just a wee bit difficult, but the path gets better as you go down. So you're coming down for up there. It's cold. It's cold. It's cold. It's cold. I get down a wee bit. Right, there you go, Paddy. There you go. Look at that view. You can see when we came down from up there. That's over here. Fantastic. Fantastic. So that's us nearly down. But it's extremely cold. Extremely cold. So I'll get a move on. But looking back up for where we came is quite impressive. Fantastic. See back up there where we came? Right there. right along the skyline. Amazing, amazing. Temperature up there is really cold. The forecast said something like -17, the wind chill. It certainly felt cold. Don't know if it felt -17, but it certainly felt cold. Anyway, let's get down another wee bit. Oh! So that's us down at the wee Beelach in the two hills. Beautiful now. There's a wee cairn there just for Frank standing. Wee cairn there.
Right here.
And you can come up that way. You can come up through that glen, and then do the two hills looking at a T, almost up and back, then up and back. Well, up and back, and then up and out. You do that. But I think the way we were just talking about that there, I think the way we came is the better way. Right. Up there where Patrick's away, follow this line of fence posts. Weather coming in. Our second Munro of the day, Toll Creagach, meaning the Rocky Hollow, standing at 1,054 metres. Not a lot to see here, and it's
it's a whiteout.
a bit kind of snowy and stuff, so we're just going to head over there and get our lunch down at the snow line.
Yeah,
look at wee Paddy.
Down out this one.
Paddy!
You're a brave one. Yeah, you'll get something down here.
Right, fantastic. We'll head down here and get our tea, get out that snow. Right. Paddy, head off, pal. Okay, let's go, come on.
Over here, Paddy. Paddy, this way.
Right, you good? So that's us doing off the summit, and we're kind of now in the good side of the hill. We're not getting hit with all that wind. Still got a wee bit of snow coming over the top. It's a wee bit brutal up there. I was just heading down now, find somewhere to stop for lunch. But the sun's trying to get out. When that sun's out, which it kind of is just now, it's warm. It's lovely and warm. I've just got to show you over, well, I've still got a chance where we were this morning. and see their route this morning. So if you can see it, we were up this big hill up here, which is completely on the clag now, and down there it's 3 bits of blue sky appearing up there. But that snowstorm just caught up with us. You could see it coming in the glen towards us, so we're prepared for it, get jackets and that on. And it blew right over the top of us, but it's beautiful now. It's beautiful again. Paddy's loving it. Paddy's loving it. So find somewhere something to eat, stop for a wee minute. Right, that's us back. No, we're no. That's us stopped for a bit of lunch. Stopped here for a wee bit of lunch. Could see over to the first Munro and that over there. So from here we're just got to be straight down back to the path and then back the way we came, so nothing new to see. So we'll end it there, grab a wee bit of lunch and that's that. So that was good. So that's Munro number 182 and 183, which means 99 to go. Not that that means anything, but 99 to go. Anyway.
Sounds better than 100 and something.
Sounds better than 100 and something. Frank and I are going to get some pieces and that's that. I'll catch you next time. Adios.
Cheese and ham.
Cheese and ham. Oh, Paddy, what do you want? You got a wee sandwich? Brilliant. Later, when we're out for a wee walk. Dogs here. Right, Patrick, want to buy chicken? Here. Here. Look at that white chicken breast.
Once you're on that track in the dark, it's like more, you'll be back.
Get out of there, man. Can't see a thing now.